Okay, so the next thing I'm going to show you that will greatly aid you in your investigations with exporting our data is our export tool. I'm going to go ahead and install that right now. All right, it should be here in the start menu, export. So you got to log in with your credentials. This will connect to the database. And if you have multiple databases, this tool can also connect to them. Up here is where you can change the database, your snapshot options. Typically you want to leave everything, in defaults. And then here's where you can narrow the focus on what range of data that you want to export. So what it's going to do is make a copy of the information from the database and then export it to a folder format that you select here. So you select your date and time range, or whatever you want here. All computers that the users might have logged into, or maybe it's just a specific computer. We're looking at Tara and Frank, so maybe I just want to export their data. So I'd select Frank here and then Tara. And then below is where you can select what format you like. So you could have it the date first, then the username, then the file. Below are the areas of data that you can export. Everything's checked by default, but if you don't want, let's say, files transferred or email attachments, you just uncheck that information. All right, and then you have multiple different formats that you can do here. You have AVI for the snapshots, or our proprietary SDF format. For all the textual documents, those are your options. So Excel, HTML, text, XML, or our proprietary. Then once you get all that, you want to show count. It's going to give you, what type of records it's going to export, and you hit the start export. When you do, it's going to ask you where do you want to save it, detecting that I don't have the Veriato export folder, and it's asking me, do I want to create it? So I could select yes, it would create it and then export that information. Now once you have that in a folder, then you can use that for your rest of your investigations for evidence.